Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Sonar Rajpal. Students, today I am going to explain what are indicators. Student, indicators are the compounds, basically they are the dyes, which when put it into acidic or basic solutions indicate whether the solution which we are testing is acidic or basic in nature by changing its color. तो स्टूडेंट्स इंडिकेटर्स वो होते हैं जब हम उसको एसिडिक और बेसिक कंडीशंस में they will change their colors and they will tell us whether the solution under consideration is acidic or basic in nature by changing its color. Because students, the structure of these dyes, they get changed in acidic or basic conditions, which leads to the change in the color of the solution. And students, indicators जो होते हैं they are of various type. Some are natural indicators. Natural indicators are those which you can obtain from the natural resources, from nature. And some are synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators are those which are man-made chemicals which can produced in laboratory. Students, जो भी synthetic indicators होते हैं they are the man-made chemicals जो हम laboratories में synthesize करते हैं. और there are other indicators which we can call it as a olfactory indicators. Olfactory means something related to the smell, which I will explain later. So students, now the example of the natural indicators which you can obtain from the nature, these are litmus, turmeric and red cabbage. And the synthetic indicators which can be produced in the laboratories are methyl orange and phenolphthalein. And the third category which I already explained that of indicator is olfactory indicators. So students, what are the olfactory indicators? Olfactory means something related to the smell. So these are those substances whose smell changes in acidic or basic solutions. These are called as olfactory indicators. जिनका smell एसिडिक और बेसिक कंडीशंस में चेंज हो जाता है उनको ऑल्फैक्टरी इंडिकेटर्स बोलते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल स्टूडेंट्स, यू आर अवेयर अबाउट अनियन. अनियन हैज़ अ वेरी करेक्टरिस्टिक स्मेल. इट हैज़ अ वेरी पंजेंट स्मेल. सो व्हेनेवर you put these onions in acidic solutions, so its smell remains. But whenever you put these onions in basic solutions, the smell of the onions get destroyed. So you can say that onion is a olfactory indicators because its smell get affected in acidic or basic conditions. Like vanilla beans, students. Vanilla beans smell, or you can say fragrance, it will remain in acidic conditions, but vanilla bean smell cannot be detected if you can put it in a basic conditions. So these are the examples of olfactory indicators. Now I'm going to talk about what are the natural indicators. Students, natural indicator example is litmus, which is a universal natural indicators, or you can say it is a purple dye, student, which can be extracted from a type of plant called lichens. You student, lichen is a symbiotic association between fungi and algae, or you can say cyanobacteria. So this you can obtain from the nature. And student, litmus exists in the form of solution or litmus paper. So it is of two types. One is blue litmus and one is red litmus. And student, litmus solution is neither acidic nor basic. So in neutral condition its color is purple. It means student, जो litmus होता है वो neutral condition में उसका color purple color होता है, and its color changes to red when you put it in a acidic solution, and the litmus color is blue in basic solution. And students, there is a litmus paper also, and when you dip this litmus paper in acidic medium, in acid its litmus paper color changes from blue to red, and it will remain red in acidic conditions. So student, I want to say जो litmus paper होता है, litmus paper का color acidic में blue to red होता है, but if you have a red litmus paper and you can dip that red litmus paper in the acidic, so the red remains red in acidic condition. Likewise students, जो base होता है, base turns red litmus or red litmus paper to blue, and the blue remains blue in basic solution. Likewise students, the example of the natural indicator is turmeric. You know students, you are aware about turmeric. In acidic conditions or in neutral conditions, the color of the turmeric is always yellow. But in basic conditions, the turmeric gives red brown color. So its color changes in basic condition. Students, you have seen whenever you have a spot of this turmeric on your cloth, whenever you are going to wash it with any base, because soap is a base or any detergent is a base, so it will becomes red brown. So it means turmeric gives, it is also a natural indicator, it gives red brown color in basic condition. The third example is red cabbage extract. Student, you know this red cabbage extract in acidic conditions, it gives red color, but in basic conditions it gives green colors. So it is also one of the example of natural indicators, and there are various other example of natural indicator existing in nature like beetroot, grape juice and China rose. Now I'm going to talk about what are the synthetic indicators. Students, you know synthetic indicators are the man-made indicators. They are produced in the laboratories, they are the chemicals, and you know students, the example of these two synthetic indicators I'm going to explain over here. One is phenolphthalein. You know student, phenolphthalein itself color is colorless, means it has no color in neutral condition, it is just like a transparent. But whenever you put this phenolphthalein in acidic condition, it will remain colorless, it will not give any color in acidic solution, but it will give a pink color in basic solution. So हम ये भी कह सकते हैं स्टूडेंट, जो phenolphthalein होता है वो एक ट्रांसपेरेंट, इट इज़ लाइक अ वाटर. जब हम उस phenolphthalein को एसिड कंडीशन में डालते हैं, एसिड मीडियम में डालते हैं, इट विल रिमेन कलरलेस, बट वो पिंक कलर देता है बेटा अगर आप उसको कोई भी बेसिक सॉल्यूशंस में डालें. And another example of this synthetic indicator is methyl orange. आपको पता है students, this methyl orange itself color is orange in neutral conditions, but this methyl orange gives red color in acidic solution, but it will give yellow color in basic solutions. So students, in conclusion I want to say, indicators tell us the solution which we are testing is acidic or basic in nature by changing the color of the solution. And you know students, these indicators are the dyes which can be natural or man-made. और स्टूडेंट्स, जो भी ये इंडिकेटर्स होता है इनका स्ट्रक्चर चेंज होता है, दैट यू विल स्टडी इन योर क्लास 11th, because in acidic or basic conditions में, due to which the color of the solution will be changed. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more informative videos, science classes at the rate Dr. Sona Rajpal 123. Thank you.